That shit nice. That shit nice. Look at this. Is this a cat? Bro, what the fuck what is a buddy doing in the street? Buddy, get home! Get that buddy out the motherfucking park, boy. That buddy looking for a snow buddy, boy. We on a late night ride, we on a late night vibe. Like, I like this late night shit recently. You know, as long as it's like well lit areas. The potholes are a bitch. Potholes are fucking, they'll fuck your day up, bro. They'll fuck your life up, real talk. See if there's anybody out here with some nice whips. Woo! Bumpy! And I'm fucking... Alright, I found my tank grips. For some reason I couldn't find my tank grips. Tesla cops. Our cops out here got fucking Teslas and shit. Like, bro, what are they doing all the money, man? Nice ass Teslas. I know Teslas are relatively affordable. Especially if they can push that whole we don't ever gotta buy gas again type shit. Just wonder how it's gonna work in the winter. See what's out here tonight. Out here night riding, give y'all a little change of scenery. It's nighttime out here. I don't got like a filter on, so you guys should be able to see some shit. Shouldn't be like overly dark. It's approximately midnight. Coming up on it. Actually, it's only... Whew! So I do still got to do my oil change video. It's been like literally 110 degrees every day. It's not like a normal 110, bro. It's been 110 and fucking sticky. Like just, you go step outside and you're instantly sweating. My camera lens was sweating. My car fucking paint was like, bro, like when it's hot where we at, because of the humidity, is no fun. It's like the hottest shit you can even imagine type shit. And it's like, it just makes you want to do nothing but stay in the crib. Like, I told myself I wasn't going to buy Madden for another week just because I know all their problems are ass the first 2 weeks of the season. Or the... Got no nice whips out, bro. It's Friday night. It's Friday night. Where the boys at? Where the boys at with the nice whips? But yeah, I need to stop bullshit on my oil change. I was gonna do it tonight, bro. I was gonna do it instead of this ride, and I was like, okay, whatever. It's not fucking 1,000,000 degrees anymore. I'm gonna do my oil change. I don't have a 17 millimeter wrench. 17 millimeter socket. I think I need that for the whatever the big one is. It may not be a 17. I think it is a 17. Whatever the big one Funny. They wanted to do their little thing. They wasn't having it. They're cool guys though. They cool about it. They cool about it. I ain't gonna talk about shit. What up? Them motherfuckers too fast. That shit fast though too. That can scoot around. That shit make its way around. Oh shit, it's green. This is, that shit nice. That shit nice. This shit's nice. That shit was about to take off. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. Let's do it! Come on! Come on! Come on! That shit's nice, but it ain't that nice, baby. Oh, yeah. What you want to do? This is a motherfucker right behind me that was trying to take off. I'm not gonna let her get the fly. Well, honestly, she can have the fly back. I'm gonna judge by her head, by her taillights if there's any bumps up ahead. Like, don't get me wrong, that shit's fucking fast. Just ain't this fast. I'm pretty sure that's a chick though. Alright, we've had enough fun with her. I think it was a girl. That shit was cool though, like we were definitely rolling 90, like that shit was crazy. That shit's fast though, it was impressive. I want to say that was some type of Jag. If you guys know kind of what that was, let me know. That shit was still pretty impressive, but if that car wasn't ahead of me, like I'm still got 2 more gears to bang through, like it's not happening. Is this a cat? Bro, what the fuck what is a buddy doing in the street? Buddy, get home! Get that buddy out the motherfucking park, boy. That buddy looking for a snow bunny, boy. That bunny out the perky said, boy. That bunny said, where my snow bunny at? I'm trying to find my snow bunny. That is. Alright fellas, it's your boy Brizzy. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. Drop a like, drop a sub if you're new. Join the fucking Noti gang. If you're on the toilet, bro, comment Noti gang, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need to know who on the motherfucking toilet, nigga. You feel me?